Hi guys, today we are going to replace the battery on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but not just the battery but soldering battery. We are going to transplant this cable, like the connector of the battery that has the serial number, to the brand new battery. We are going to show you step by step how we can do that, and yeah, let's go. Here is the new battery and here is the old battery, and we are going to transplant the cable, this cable to this battery. First we are going to remove the plastic. And now we are going to take out this cover here. I'll show you here. Okay, this is the old battery, and this gonna be the new battery. We need to solder the battery to the cable, the original cable, and the message this battery is will not detect the serial number of the battery, will not show anymore to the iPhone. What we can do right now, we can okay, we cut it. Now we need to solder to the connector. We need to solder here. To do this, we need to use this tool. It's like a solder iron, and we can turn on. Okay. It says 0.6 milliseconds, 2.3 seconds. Okay. Now we need to solder this one. Like that. And here like that. Okay, the connector is right now is soldered to the new battery. We need to apply some protection how it was before. Will not make connector the pole of the battery. Okay, now we made it battery with the original flex cable, and we can go ahead and install it to the phone. Okay, now we need to connect the power. See if this one is connected. I think this is not connected. Okay, this cable is not work. Let me use another one. Okay, here you go. We have the phone is on, and see if charged. I think should be charged. Yep, it has the sign of the charger on top. Now we are going to see a message. Let me go to the customer information for the password. We are going to unlock the phone. Okay, now I'm showing you here. I'll go to another camera. Okay, like I say, how we did that? We did that to hold the when you change the battery, you will, like for example, if you put a new battery aftermarket one, you will have the new cable like that. You will have a new cable. You see the cable, but here on the cable is recorded the serial number. Like has a serial number that Apple knows, like the iPhone knows that this battery is original because of the serial number that is on that cable. Okay, and now let me put some. And now when we make the transplant of the connector, but we didn't replace the battery including the connector aftermarket, but we put the aftermarket battery or the premium battery, and let me see, I think it was premium battery. Let me see. Yeah, Power Cell Pro is a premium battery, and in the moment that we transfer the serial number of the cable, the iPhone will read the serial number that is the same how it was before, and will tell you this battery is genuine. Let me see. You see here? Okay, we showed you how to make the transplant of the flex cable from the original battery to the premium generic one. It's very complicated because needs special soldering skills, but it will help you to avoid the notification, like the red notification that comes to the settings. That's why, because everything is recorded to the flex cable, like this flex cable. In the moment that replace the battery with a new one, and the new one has a new flex cable, means that the serial number is different, and on the settings you would bother with notification that say the battery was not known as Apple genuine or something like that. Yeah, we make the transplant of this cable, and in this moment the battery is brand new, everything produced in China, and this has lithium. Lithium is like a liquid that passes the electrons from anode to the cathode. That means if we have brand new parts of only the battery that has lithium inside, that is brand new, never use it, doesn't matter if it's with logo or without logo, that we have a brand new part. In this moment where we put the original cable, the phone will work stable and will work as was original parts, because this is original, and here is the serial number and everything is recorded here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and we are going to make another video next time. Thank you.